you worried about pertussis or whooping cough? Well, if you live in the Philippines, there has been a pertussis or whooping cough outbreak. What makes us say that? So, from January 1st up to April 13, there has been a recorded total number of 1,500 cases from that time period alone. When you compare it to last year's data in 2023 about the same time period, there have only been 36 cases. So definitely a lot more cases. And there is a declared outbreak in some areas in the Philippines. But what is pertussis? So you need to equip yourself so you can better take care of your baby and of course other adults in your household as well. But before anything else, I'm Dr. Christine Albacian. I'm a board certified